When we talk about rights, we're talking about your rights, individual rights. The First Amendment to the United States Constitution guarantees you the right to protest, and it also guarantees you the right to document what you see the police doing. The Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution guarantees you the right to privacy. That means when the police approach you without a signed warrant and ask for your consent to search either your pockets, your purse, or your house, or your car, you have the right to tell them, get out of here. You're not searching me without a warrant. The Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution guarantees you the right to remain silent. There's no benefit to talking to the police, and there's absolutely no downside to exercising your right to remain silent. It's important to understand that ultimately the way this plays out in the court of law is no judge or jury is ever going to use that evidence against you. If the police ask you for your name and your date of birth and your address, yes, you do need to give that to them. And likewise, if the police tell you to get out of your car or to put your hands up or to put your hands behind your back, even if the police are wrong, you need to do it. The lawyers can sort it out later, but you make your legal and physical outlook much, much worse by failing to comply with a lawful or unlawful order of the police. What happens when you fail to use your rights? Well, in a protest situation in particular, the police are rarely doing anything that could be called an investigation. Officer Friendly already decided you did it. He's just collecting evidence against you. You're only making your situation worse by talking to the officer after he's arrested you. Instead, use these powerful and simple sentences. I refuse to consent to a search. I refuse to speak without my lawyer. And I refuse to sign anything. All of us need to exercise our constitutional rights. When we don't, they become weaker, but especially those of us who are privileged, those of us who are far less vulnerable to police abuses when we do exercise our rights. We're the ones that need to be exercising our rights the most consistently, because that's the only way that we're going to change the conversation going on between the law enforcement community and the rest of us. Good luck, and keep fighting for change.